So here we have are the support hinges. We're going to open the package here and see what it all comes with. A little instruction guide. We have the hinges. We will open them up. We have this hinge here, other parts that go with it. So you get the two hinges here. They both come with the parts you needed to assemble it and to put it together. And here we also have some other screws. These support hinges are perfect for wooden boxes, toy chests, kitchen cupboards, and wardrobe lids. These hinges work for any lids or flaps that need a soft close support. They can be mounted on the left or right side, and they can be used for side mounting and top mounting as well. These hinges have an adjustable angle of 75 degrees, 90 degrees, and 110 degrees. They can fit most lids, and they can keep them at any angle. We're going to install these and see how they work. These little gray washers go in on both sides here. And they have a little lip here that makes it fit snug on both sides, both bottom and top. We install these hinges on this piano bench here so it opens up. You put it down, it won't smash our kids' fingers.